actually gonna add this, guys. Like, oh my god, I dream about this. Like, when I was building my PC the first time, I wanted to get one of these so badly, but at the time it was like really expensive, and I was like, should I get it or should I not get it? But after watching so many PC videos, I can see what the hype is about. So here we have it, the M.2 slot right there, boop right there, and boop right there. Before we put it in, let's see if there's anything like behind this. So far it just look like there's manuals. So yeah, just pretty much manual talking about the solid state drive. Let me pull it because this is the first time I'm actually installing one of these bad guys right here. So let's slide that in. Boom, 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 boom. So yeah, it's pretty much basic, blah blah blah. Yeah, I'm just gonna put that to the side honestly, and then just put my knife over there, get my M.2 slot, and how do I do this now? So I believe it should go in right here, I believe. Yeah, but I think I have to. I think I had to take this out. Yeah, I think I have to take this out. Yeah, I had to take this out and put that there for now. And I believe I should be able to just slide this in. Right. There. Nice. Perfect. That sound was so satisfying, guys, to be honest. Wait, what? Let me just watch a video and be right back, guys, because I don't think it should be in like that. Alright guys, so now I'm installing that M.2 SSD. Screw in that screw. This is so tedious, guys. Alright, so I believe that should be good enough. Yeah, I believe that should be good enough.